Hi, I'm Fallon from WorkBlast.com, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to answer some frequently asked questions about how to make a video resume. Now, many of you may be thinking, I know text isn't good enough, but I'm not really comfortable with video resumes yet, so what can I do? Well, a few months ago, the answer would have been nothing. But WorkBlast recently launched what the company refers to as WorkBlast 2.0. What this means to us job seekers is that there's a new way to enhance your text resume by including video, audio, rich text HTML, or soon you'll even be able to create a slideshow with still pictures and lay an audio track over it. These new features allow anyone to enhance their resume without going all the way to video until they're really comfortable. It's a great thing for job seekers who aren't comfortable with the concept and or the technology involved in creating a video resume just yet. Or anyone who isn't quite sold on video, but believes that text alone isn't enough to compete anymore.